This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by quickly assessing both key and iron door lock to identify the single best fix. Look for a bent or fractured key and note any resistance when turning. These tell you if extraction or repair is needed. Once done, clear loose rust and debris with a small brush so parts aren't damaged while you work. Make sure to have a key extractor, needle nose pliers, and graphite lubricant at hand before you proceed to extraction. You now extract the stuck or broken key using controlled motion. This is the critical middle step. First, apply graphite into the keyway to loosen binding, because lubrication prevents further damage. Then insert the extractor or thin probe alongside the broken fragment to hook the teeth. Angle it so the hook catches, and maintain a slight turning pressure in the lock's natural direction. Pull steadily. Short jerks risk pushing the piece deeper, so steady extraction is how you keep the cylinder intact. You finish by restoring function and preventing recurrence. If the key is only slightly bent, straighten gently and file sharp edges. If fractured, cut a new key from the intact section or use a key code. Once you have a functioning key, cycle the lock 3 times with graphite lubricant to confirm smooth operation and reinstall any trim. If it still binds or skips, replace the cylinder. That's the one key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.